Spice. Grace Hamilton. That's what she name her, this Graceful Hamilton. Anything what she name. For somebody was so sensitive when people talk about her in any form of way where she not like. Oh, she's so easy for disrespect people. She the first one to always come out and talk about woman empowerment. She the first one to always come out come talk about who she black. She the one who always come out come say people bad mind her and people grudge her. And that's why them say this and say that. But she always quick to disrespect other people. My problem with the Red Bull Clash thing was there. Spice got come out and she disrespect mavado. People remember, for clarification, me and mavado and a friend. So this has nothing to do with friendship. She disrespect Busy Signal too. Over some dub plate thing. Now my thing is this. If you have Team Jamaica, which was Spice Army, the big question is, Spice, did you call mavado and ask him to be a part of Spice Army? Yes or no? Now, if the answer is no, if the next team reach out to mavado and pay him to come make an appearance for feed them team, oh, you go vex. Oh, you go vex for that. Remember, you know, if Team Jamaica na call you, but one next team a call you and a pay you, remember mavado a big artist. So for them call him and him fly from over here, go over the money spent. Because them man they love money. Them man in a job catch and them man they love money. So me sure and a free mavado go over there for. So oh you go come out and blatantly disrespect the man up on the mic. Over business where you would have do worse than that. And Uno never call him. Then if me are the fastest man in a run in the world and Jamaica no call me for them team, and one different country call me and say come put your talent to use, so I pay you up on top of it. Eh? Tell me now. Next thing again, dub plate. If the man them pay a Busy Signal for do a dub plate, oh you fear cost Busy Signal. Oh you for cost Busy Signal. Become the dub plate for the next one. And I talk about you a different culture. Grace Hamilton, Spice. You can't pick and choose when to defend the culture. You can't pick and choose when to be morally correct for the culture. Spice, are you go to LGBTQ show and never care about the culture? Spice, Disgraceful Hamilton, remember say I saw my name here. Are you go do LGBTQIEFGHIJKLMNOP show and never care about the culture, you don't go business about the money? So oh no, you're so culture based. Oh no, you're so culture orientated. Who you try trick? Who you try trick? Don't think we forgot, Spice. Remember me warn you and you never listen. Me did tell you, at least mavado come pop up like a surprise. Me did warn you and tell you, said don't go to the show. Do not do that to the culture. Don't carry entertainment, go put in a toilet. You never listen. You trace and go on and cuss me like dog. I'm still never wicked. Me pray and beg the ancestor them for don't touch your children them. And them clot and ram you in your gut. And still never kill you. You're still there. So oh you come cuss mavado about culture. You is no example about protecting no culture. You not try that over here, son. Remember me still there. Still alive. No forgot what you do. So you better you say you just want this mavado. But don't say you do it in defense and a culture. Because you shit up the culture. You put the culture in a toilet. Yeah, I'll get my page banned. Make them shut down my Instagram. You don't remember. So how you come and talk about a culture you are defending? You're not defending no culture. Because if I never Spice Army up there, and I did Jada Army, and them not link you, and the next team them link you, yeah, I gotta take the money and do it. Me not ask Christ. You understand? So nobody come with us something there. I come use the flag bypass. You don't have no right to get up and disrespect Mavado and Busy because them a do the work. You understand what I say? Yeah. Me glad say you win and a Spice Army win, but not try that with we. You defend Batman right through. You sell the culture to LGBTQ right through. When you look a shape bad, idiot, clown out boy, I wind up to your song them. Big homosexual, you post it every day. When you depend on love and hip hop and be a sprat.